Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with the Windows update with the error code 0x802400001 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this error usually results from update service problems, damaged system files, or conflicts triggered by installed programs. And other causes are the service is not functioning properly and the update process cannot continue normally. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows troubleshooter. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options, ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung other troubleshooter. So itap mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. And dito sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang itap dito yung Run. And wait natin na makomplete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And then troubleshooting has completed. So, the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong troubleshoot settings. And the other solutions we will do is to check the relevant services. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc and then itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong services, at dito lang sa services local at dito sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Windows Update. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and i-locate dito yung Windows Update. So ang gagawin natin dito is to select and right click. And then next step, so select mo lang dito yung restart. And wait natin makomplete yung restart process. And then after that, so same here in Windows Update. So select and double click. And dito lang sa General Properties at dito lang sa Startup Type. So you need to select Automatic. And dito sa baba, click Apply. And click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito sa Windows Update, and the other keyword na kailangan natin i-modify is the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. And then once na-locate mo na yung Background Intelligent Transfer Service, so same procedure, select and right click. And then select mo lang dito yung Restart. And then after that, so select and double click. And dito lang sa General Properties and then dito sa Startup Type, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan and then we need to select Automatic and then click Apply and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, and the last keyword is the Cryptographic Service. So scroll down and kailangan natin i-locate dito yung Cryptographic Service. And then once na-locate mo na yung Cryptographic Service, so same, so select and right click. And then click mo lang dito yung restart. And wait natin makomplete yung restart process. And then after that, so same, select and double click. And dito sa General Properties, dito lang sa Startup Type, so i-select mo lang dito yung Automatic. Click Apply and click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, and hope na na-resolve yung error. But if the error still persists, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair corrupted files. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter and then /scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So in here, we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so we need to close the CMD. And dito lang si start menu and we need to restart. Okay, so just tap this restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x80240001 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.